You can bypass the thermostat 5-minute cooling delay to speed up air conditioning troubleshooting when it is safe to do so. First, confirm the compressor has not recently run and wait at least a short window to avoid thermal stress on the compressor. Turn off power at the outdoor unit and the indoor air handler before touching wiring to eliminate shock risk. Use a small insulated wire or a purpose-built jumper and connect the red control wire to the yellow cooling call wire at the thermostat terminals to simulate a cooling demand. If the system has a hard start kit or time delay relay at the condenser, understand that those devices may still enforce delay and will not be bypassed at the thermostat. After placing the jumper, restore power at the outdoor unit and observe the contactor. If it closes and the compressor starts, you have verified cooling circuit function. Always remove the jumper and restore the thermostat to normal operation before leaving the site to avoid accidental continuous operation. Common mistakes are jumping the wrong wires, which can energize the fan or heat circuit and cause damage. So double-check terminal labels and strip only minimal insulation to make a secure connection. Another issue is neglecting to cut power to the outdoor unit first, which risks shock and component damage. So always switch off the disconnect before working on controls. A third concern is forcing starts when the compressor has just stopped, which causes short cycling and compressor wear. So if the compressor was running recently, wait longer or use diagnostic timers on the equipment to prevent repeated starts. We at BigHomeProjects.com help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find work through project listings and direct messages. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical troubleshooting tips and local service experiences.